Hello friends, today we are going to know how to create a constructor inside the class. Constructor is used to initialize the data members of the class. Okay, and let's go with the question. Create a class using class called time that has a separate data members as hours, minutes, seconds. Using one constructor initialize the data members to 0 and another constructor to initialize the fixed values numbers, and then using object add. Okay, let's go to the program. See, hash include iOS it's a header file using namespace std. This I'm using std namespace. Okay, I'm creating a class called time. Okay, the class name is time using private data members as hours, minutes and seconds. These private data members can be accessed only through the functions inside the class. Okay, then I am using one constructor and initializing the values of hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, I am initializing them to 1, 10 and 20 according to our wish. Okay, I am using another constructor in which I will be sending the values from the user input as A hours, B minutes, C seconds. Okay, then using one display function, void display function. This function is constant, and since this function does not change the values, okay, it will be just displaying the values in the class. Okay, then using add, int add time x time y. Next, here time hours is equal to x dot hours dot x dot hours, and since this hours is added with x hours plus y hours, x hours and y hours. Okay, x is predefined and y is the user's input. We will be adding both of them. This dot operator is used for accessing the data member as it is a private. Okay, then after this addition we will be checking whether this seconds is greater than 60. It will be wrong, like 14 hours, 70 minutes and 84 seconds. That's why we are converting them into proper time. Okay, then I'm checking whether the seconds is greater than 60. Then I am decrementing the seconds minus 60 and I am incrementing the minutes. Okay, 1 minute. Similarly, the minutes, if the minute is greater than 60, then I am decrementing the minutes and incrementing the hours. Okay, similarly hours, if the hours are greater than 12, then I am decrementing the hour. After everything, then I am incrementing the hour. Coming to the main function, I am declaring 3 int variables a, b, c using time, as time is a class and t1 is object of time. Okay, then enter the time in this format, hours, minutes, seconds format. Then I am getting the hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, in t2 another object I am catching them. Then t1 dot add, I am calling this add function. Okay, add function for t1, t1th object dot add t1 and t2 instance these values which are given by the user, and t1 is the predefined values. Then t1 dot display. Okay, let's go, let's run the program. Okay, 10 hours, 40 minutes, 35 seconds. It goes around 11 hours, 50 minutes, 55 seconds. Let's check whether this is right or not. When you add this 35 with 20, it will be 55. That's right. 40 plus this 10, 50. Okay. 10 plus 1, 11. else if you add more than this, then it will be incremented to this, and then minutes to hours. Okay. Let's go into the second question. Create a class called distance that contains two data members, feet and inches. Using one constructor, initialize them, and another constructor to fix values all arguments. Okay. Let's go to the program. Okay, this is my program. Hash include IOSTM. Using hash include IOSTM as a header file, the library file. Okay. Then using namespace std. Okay. Using namespace std. Then I am creating distance 1. I am keeping 1 because it will be causing some ambiguous error. Okay, without distance that 1. Okay, that's why I am keeping distance 1. Okay, it's a class name. Okay, and the private data members are feet and inches, which are in the float. Okay, float data type. Okay, the public data members and functions goes like this. Using one constructor, I am initializing the feet to 10 and the inches to 11. Okay, then I am using another parameterized constructor, and I am sending the feet as well as inches. Okay, A and B. Feet is equal to A and inch is equal to B. Using one function, I am displaying the feet and the inches. Okay, going to add function. I am going to add two objects. Okay, object of distance data type x, distance data type y. Feet is equal to x dot feet plus y dot feet. Object of x of data type feet, object of y of data type feet. Inches is equal to x inches plus y inches. This dot operator is used for accessing the data members. Okay, private data members. I am checking the condition whether this inches is greater than 12. If the inches is greater than or equal to 12, then I am decrementing the inches, and then I am incrementing the feet. Okay, then coming to the main function float, I am declaring float data type with two variables q and w. I am asking the user to enter the feet and inches. Okay, I am getting the feet, I am getting the inches. Distance d1 comma d2, then d1 and d2 are the objects, whereas d2 is having the user given data inputs. Those are feet and inches. Okay, q feet and w inches. d1 dot add d1, this d1 object is accessing the add function through dot operator, adding d1 and d2. Using this display function, we are displaying the values. Okay, let me run. 20 feet 35 inches. Okay, adding this 33 with 11 will be resulting 44, which is greater than 12. Then it will be decremented and this will be incremented. Okay, resulting this 20 is incremented to 33. Okay, thank you.